So in my last video I showed you how to get the wheel off and pop it back on, and showed you how to grease the bearings. This time I actually need to change the bearings on the Ninebot Max. They are 6001RS's, I believe. They're meant to be really good. They are recommended. So I need to take the old ones out. Simply what I'm going to do is we've got the bar will come out this way. Sorry, the will hit from this end, the bar will come out that way, and we need to do it with either a wooden or a rubber mallet. Do not use a metal hammer, as it will break the end here or deform it. So essentially from this point, as you can see, I've already popped it out. But what you can do to get that one out is, I've found, is get your 16mm socket that you've taken off the wheel with, pop that in the center there against the bearing, and just whack it with a hammer and it will pop out. So the next problem that I faced was trying to get this bearing off of this part of the shaft. It has a retaining clip here. I found the best way to do that, I've tried heat and everything to get it off, it's not working, is actually pop that back in and actually just whack, because there is a lip inside there that holds the bearing in, is whack this through the other side and it will pop this off, or actually keep it stood in there. And then we now have the shaft out, so now I can place the bearing on this end. Okay, so the bearings are now in. I've just put a light layer of grease around the outside to stop water being able to get in. It was a bit of a pain trying to get this one in and this one in at the same time. You would hammer one in and the other side would pop out. So what you kind of need to do is pop that one in lightly and then pop that one in as well. Get something like a socket underneath it to hold the bearing in place whilst you hammer this side in, and then vice versa, so you would do the other side as well, so the other one wouldn't pop out. And then once you're on, put the retaining clip on. The retaining clip can also be a bit of a pain, so you need to kind of just hold the that bit against the floor, and then put like a mini socket over the top and just lightly hammer the retaining clip down. And now we're all good to put the wheel back on, and hopefully bearing free noise. So great news, I've now tested the wheels, no more sound from them, which is fantastic. And now it's just to pop this all together and get it back to the way it should be. One little thing I should mention as well, if you're adjusting your brakes, yeah, this should actually be a little bit longer than it is. I tried to adjust the brakes. Unfortunately, the extra thread that was at the bottom there sheared off. And now I'm having a hard time sticking this nut back on, but it's kind of stuck on there. You only adjust this bit for your brakes. This is just to lock this in place so this doesn't come loose. But yeah, I'm gonna have to find another nut to see if I can thread it on. But yeah, all good.